Hey guys, today we are playing epic mini games with my friends called a sad song and a it's Lily. No, it's just a. Dang, they got most of the balls on the other side. My team going. Come on, team. Man, I'm hitting the balls backwards. Will she move? I got this, okay? Ice, so ice. Oof! What is going on? Hit that. Come on, people. Hit the balls. I'm going for this one. I hit that. Piggy! No, my piggy! My piggy was out there all along. My little piggy. Oh my gosh, bro. We lost. We have less balls. Yeah, we have to have less balls. We have to, bro. We have to. Oh, we won. That was fun. Oh, cause my teammates, they hit them other two after I said that. It was sad song. No, sad song hit the last one. Cause she hit one, but then somebody else like hit one too, and then they both hit each other, and then they both went on their side. So sad song, you won it for the team. But anyway, bye, see ya. I'm saving up for the last time. Oh no, I was saving up for this. See, I was saying I'm gonna save up for something. Next thing I know about something else. What I do? Do I won? Oh, I take them off. No, take them off, people. Sad song! No! No. Not today. And wow. Good job, guys. Good job. No beef. I wrecked. And you suck. What's the point of tags? Like, y'all, all these people say, all gay. You gay. What are you talking about? Get that coffee out of here. Get this in. Get that milkshake. I don't like this one. I'm staying very back so I can see where. Okay, I got that like that. Guys, listen in the comments if you like this one. Oh, it's scary, bro. This way. I got hit. From that. No, Lily. Lily died. Everybody. Shout out too. Ooh. I gotta squish my head so bad. Okay, I'm good. Let's squish my head real quick. No. Who was about to fall off? Shoot. Oh, I almost hit that. Did you guys see that? I almost hit that. Oh my gosh. He was about to get hit. The guy in the front. He was about to get hit. See, he's hit. What? He's getting hit. He is getting hit. What? He is getting hit. What? He is getting hit. His game is probably lagging. That's wrong. His game is probably lagging. So he sees it before we see it. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to say about that, bro. Besides, I'm so confused. Oof. And now I can go out and Supreme. So we got a character here. Oh, Adidas Cage. I do not. Is this the one we just did? Oh no, I remember this. I think I'm not good at this one. I did this one with Parker. Oh, see, yeah, I'm not good at this. See, I got hit on my first shot. What is that? What is that cat? Yeah, I was gonna say, if she survives, I'll say, what is that cat girl doing? It's no room for everybody. It's too many people. What are you doing? She's trying to be beast. She's trying. Oh yeah, you're not gonna get me. She's trying to do that. She's trying to be all beast. Like, oh yeah, you're not gonna get me. Like, see, that's what they're doing. They're going out for no reason. They clearly see that. Ooh, ooh, no, she should dodge. She has one. Thank you. She literally had 1 health and she survived. One. But this is easy. I'm gonna go up to. Oh, I'm not good at jumping. I knew it. Cause I'm not good at the jump. Like, I don't know. You jackdoise. Guys, let's play Jailbreak. Actually, sorry about this. This is supposed to be. Hey, what's the name game? It was supposed to be. No. Not please. Nope. Could you really fast make it? Big watch. Oh shoot! I'm gonna buy the vault. I'm gonna start playing this one so I can get the vault bike. When I get the vault bike, I'm just. What cars go for me? Who do you think will win? A Lambo engine? A Lambo engine 5 or a vault bike? Let's in the comments down below. Which one would you think will? I'm not a scammer, but I want to scam him so bad right now. You don't know how bad I want to scam him. Oh, shut up! Could be like, I don't know. Can I go back into the game? What the? Okay. I want to buy this case though. It's like 2,500. I'm gonna buy it. Should I buy it, guys? Or which one's this? This is just 10,000. 10,000. 30,000 is a lie. What is the vault? Just nothing? You get something random? Yo. I'm gonna save up to get this. I could just get that 2,000 back robbing a bank. Yeah, I could just get that 2,000 back by robbing a bank. Here. See what we get, guys. We can get diamond. What? Alright. I don't care if I can get that 1,000 back. I'm just mad that it gave me some dumb blue. Blue's my favorite color, but like I already had it. It's like, what place is that? You know, I don't know what to say besides oofity oof to the oof. I don't know. I'm not looking at this thing. Can I do the drive so I can get that car? Boy, this car's slow. Got no engine on it. Shite. I used to use this car. Like a few months ago. Like, I didn't always use this car. Brother! You're all the way over there. Why is that? They're teaming? Are they teaming? Oh my god. Bro, are they really teaming? I don't see the cop typing, but the cop could have just jumped. Or he could have grabbed out the gun and went like, yeah, like you can do in Fortnite, just zoom in and then it will just stick up and down. Or mouse. Oh no. it's human too. That looked like a cop. That looked like a cop. As soon as I passed, he just stopped. This car is slow. It's kind of slow. I'm about to get the engine back home. Oh god. It's the same. I just wanted to get my engine. So they're the same color though. But I don't know if this is fast as Lambo. It goes fast like it would like usually. Oh god, guys, I wanna hit a ramp. Guys, I know where. Oh, we almost hit that skirt though. Let me check. Where's she at? What's her username? Pastel hair. She has pastel hair. Okay, she's good. She's good. People be making the weirdest username. I ain't Sombrero. I got Sombrero of HP Games 503, but people just ask me. Now I just base it off for Sombrero. How should you wear? How do you say it? I should want to customize my car. You guys probably like, why didn't you customize your car earlier? Just in case the cops saw me. I need a gun. What am I going to do? Just stand there and run away? Like, run. No, that's not right. I have Ladybug? What? I'm not using it. I know I have Ladybug. Bro, we're about to get that squirrel going. How much suicide cost? It goes like Two-Face. I should like it, no lie. I used to use that. What about cow? Yeah, we're gonna use it. I'm not sure that we're gonna use this one. I'm not sure. Yeah. I think this is a lot in real life. Not a lot, but it's some money in real life, y'all. But in this game, some 4,000 is broke. 500 in this game is broke. We're going with Ladybug. Forget this. Yeah, we're going with Ladybug. So what? I'm gonna save my money. I'm gonna buy a spoiler and the diamond texture. Save my money to get that. If I get that, I'm set. Then I'm just save up for like a Ferrari or Lambo. I'm gonna save up for the Lambo and get engine 5 on it. 50. Yep. But what am I talking about? It costs 50. It costs 50. It's not looking issue. So yeah. This path, if you're gonna do this ramp, stay on this path because this is the path it goes on. But you must line it out. So go between these two grasses. Not between them, like not right here. That's just get your speed ready. So go like this. And tilt a little bit. And then boom. Let's go. I didn't even know that. I just said it randomly. But yeah, that's what you want to do apparently. I need to change my wheels. I will later. I thought about this museum. That's the easier way to get to the museum. It's because I stopped my thing where did it run out? I think my rocket fuel ran out, or I just stopped using it